Radiant heating systems have been popular in European countries for many years and have gained momentum here the last 10 years. With electric baseboard and forced air systems, the heat rises, leaving the floors cool with the warm air accumulating at the ceiling. Radiant systems heat the floor and the air cools as it rises, creating a very consistent and comfortable feel. There are 4 types of radiant heating systems: steam radiators, hydronic, hot water baseboards, and low voltage electric. If you are choosing our engineered hardwood floor, it is very important that your heating contractor understand the maximum surface temperature of the flooring cannot exceed 25 degrees Celsius. Most wood species are not recommended over radiant heat. Our engineered hardwood is designed not to dry cup or delaminate. Dry cupping is when the solid wood layer shrinks when over-dried, forcing the substrate to follow and cup. Ours will remain generally flat when over-dried, but surface cracks in the wood layer can appear as the top layer shrinks. Over-drying of your wood floor can be avoided by not exceeding 25 Celsius and operating a humidifier that can keep your humidity between 30 and 50%. The assumption that engineered hardwood flooring is bulletproof is not accurate. We suggest choosing a rustic look with a matte finish. If a crack appears, it becomes part of the rustic look. Choosing a dark color with a shiny, smooth finish is not recommended. The system must be designed by a professional who can calculate how big the system should be, as well as the best location for the manifold. You want the hottest water leaving the system to not be under the hardwood flooring. In the planning stages, the manifold with the exiting hot water should be located where the tile or some other floor covering is used. A professional can figure out the size of pipe and the R value of the flooring going over the radiant heat to create the most efficient system. It is recommended not to exceed the figure of 1.5, the accumulated total of flooring and subflooring, to remain efficient. Whether it is concrete or joist heating, the system must be on and running for 7 days before installation can be considered. Then moisture test taken. Check for hot spots before installation commences. Covering floors with area rugs will create hot spots, which will raise the temperature above the maximum 25 degrees Celsius, causing over-drying of the engineered flooring. Here are pictures of poor quality engineered floors over radiant heat that have been exposed to either overheating systems or large temperature swings. Unlike normal heating systems, radiant heat is steady. Adjusting the temperature frequently is very hard on the wood and should be avoided. You should set your temperature and leave it. As shown, wood is sensitive to temperature and moisture. Poor quality products are more apt to experience severe failures. As mentioned earlier, our product is not bulletproof, but it will fail much less than poorly manufactured products. If you choose a product and it fails, it is very costly to tear up a glued down floor. Pick the right product the first time. It must be realized we are still dealing with a natural product, and it is essential to follow our temperature and humidity guidelines. Additionally, the conditions your hardwood floor enjoys are the same conditions for you to have a healthy body. As the chart demonstrates, what's good for your floor is good for you.